Hello everyone, hope you all always healthy in this situation. Today me, Eva Agustine, number 05211840 time 55, and my friend Gary will discuss two tools and techniques that used to manage quality. There are checklists that represent data gathering and cause and effect diagrams that represent data representation. The discussion will be more about comparing those two tools and techniques. Okay, first one, I will discuss the checklist. There are some highlighted points about checklist that I will explain to you. Before we go to the explanation, if you want to see how the visualization of checklist, here I show you. And then the point of checklists are structured tools and component specific. A checklist used to verify that a set of required steps has been performed, and checklists often used as a reminder. Checklists also should be reviewed from time to time to update new information as well as remove or archive obsolete information. In the PM Box 6, they mention two types of checklists. There are quality checklists and risk checklists. Quality checklists should be incorporate the acceptance criteria included in the scope baseline. And then the risk checklists are developed based on historical information and knowledge that has been accumulated from similar projects and from other sources of information. I think that's all from the point that we must be highlight from checklist. And then my friend Gary will be explain about the cause and effect diagram. And Gary, just explain it now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dimitri Hamidi. It's student ID number 052118400000014. Today I'm going to explain about one of the tools and techniques that is used in data representation, which itself is a tools and techniques to manage quality in project management. One of the techniques that I'm going to explain is cause and effect diagrams. Cause and effect diagrams, which are also known as the fishbone diagrams, YY diagrams, or Ishikawa diagrams, is a type of diagram that breaks down the causes of the problem statement identified in discrete branches, which helps to identify the main or root cause of the problem. So what fishbone diagram is it is a technique to sort out the causes for an effect or a problem. And so basically we are searching for a reason or the root cause why a problem happens. This tool can be used to structure a brainstorming session, and it immediately sorts ideas in the usual categories. Now in project quality management, the problem that we have in project quality management is product quality not matching the requirements, but this could be anything as long as it relates to product quality, and it kind of depends on what you need. So here I'm going to explain about visual diagram, about when to use it. It is used when we are searching for a specific cause or a main cause of a simple or complex problem, whatever it is. For example, we are searching for the reason why product quality not matching the requirements. And then it can also be used when the team has run out of ideas about how to find the root causes or problems about a specific problem. So to make a fishbone diagram, first we have to agree on what problems that we are going to resolve, what problems that we are going to find out the reason, but we have to find out what the reason is first, and then after this we have to find 6 generic headings or or actually it depends on what problem you are having, but generally the most commonly used headings are the six headings here, which are people, material, process, environment, equipment, and management. And then after we have created the headings, we're gonna search for the causes from each brand for each headings. And then after that, we're going to brainstorm all the possible causes of the problem. We have to ask, why does this happen? Because as idea is given, the facilitator writes it as a branch from appropriate category. Causes can be written in several pieces if they relate to several categories. For example, this could be workers' fatigue, but it could also be expanded to another causes. For workers' fatigue, which is caused by maybe too many working hour, etc. And too many working hour is caused by maybe something, I don't know, etc., etc. And then after that, we have to ask again, why does this happen? So we have to keep asking why this happens and why and why and why until we can no longer until it is clear what the start of the problem is. And then when the group runs out of ideas, we can focus on attention to places on the chart where the ideas are few. And after we are sure that every topics are covered, every reason is covered, we've created cause and effect diagrams regarding product quality that matching the requirements. So for this application, I'm sure that to find a better solution, to find a cause of the reason where the product quality might not match the requirement, I think that cause and effect diagrams will fit for the cashier application because the number of themes that we have is low, and we need creativity to solve the problem. Okay, thank you for listening. I hope my presentation can give you a clear solution about what techniques that can be used to make the inputs and the outputs clear. Thank you so much and goodbye.